What's up, guys? So if you didn't know, this is my 335i 2007. It's E90 sedan, very dirty. I washed it yesterday, but you can see the pollen built up. One of my boys said that he could do wrap or a tint. Look how bad he did. It's okay, it's work in progress. Also, a little tip for everybody: this little trim on the door, don't mess with it. Don't ever touch it. Don't ever touch that trim. So I backed into something. Someone was guiding me, broke the light, so I just broke the other one too. They both work, it's all good for now. I can't find the emblem that's curved for my trunk yet. Looking for it, but this is what I wanted to show you guys. So I haven't had any major issues with it. Main thing has just been little things like sensors and all kinds of little fuses, but main thing I've had right now problem with is positive terminal, and we don't know if it's the BST or just a positive terminal. But so basically I was messing around with it. I would unlock the car, nothing happens. Manually open the door, it opens up, and when I get inside I put the key in, nothing, no power. And I bought this battery, or I bought a battery about a month ago. I tested the old battery, 2 volts. So even though it was brand new battery, you're supposed to register it. I registered it through MHD. I guess it wasn't good enough. I had just got this one and had it programmed the right way, so it's running strong. I have M3 wheels in the back. These were 3K a piece. I had M3 wheels in the front. One of them broke, so I just put reps for now. Super clean, blue calipers, M3 drilled and slotted brakes. I have BC coils on it. I did pure 800 twin turbos for now until we do single turbo. Single turbo's on the car right now, but we're not going to show it. It's mounted, it's not even hooked up yet. But once we go single, it'll be really nice. The original interior came with all black. We fabric dyed the doors to black, the seats to red, this to black, and then we're going to do the back seats to black. Alcantara steering wheel, we did some carbon wrap, which looks retarded. We did black wrap, looks retarded. We're going to do all Alcantara trim for the doors and everything. It is manual, it's very fun. Previous owner rebuilt the motor, so I don't have to worry about top end, cams, valves. I just have to worry about doing the bottom end crankshaft, and then we can go ahead and get started on the single turbo transformation. But for the most part, this has been a very, very, very fun car. Yes, lots of fun. Turbo. We're gonna mount it soon. So I'm gonna show you guys how to replace terminals, positive and the distribution box, and why you need to replace it. Alrighty, so here is the distribution box. Here's the positive terminal. I bought these off of FCP Euro. Now, the reason why, even if everything is good, why you would replace it is because these terminals get corroded. Everything inside gets corroded, right? There's a fuse in here, big fuse. Your BST cable can go and then screws up your whole system. If you hit a curb, if you hit something, you know, if you get in an accident, it's for your airbags and stuff, and you need to be careful. This is for your airbags, and so yeah, we're just gonna replace that. You can see the difference and how clean and new it looks. I rerouted the ground, put a new ground down, and we're gonna get it suede for the whole back, and gut the back seats and do roll cage later. But so yes, we're gonna go ahead and install this, and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so it's super difficult to get this off because you have to like get this push while pushing the inside to pull it out, or you can grab needle nose pliers and just like twist it. Anyway, so we're gonna have to disconnect this cable, which is located down there roughly, And then all you're gonna have to do is install this through the bolt to here and this guy to the battery. Super simple. So we're gonna go ahead and install that once we remove this cable from the bottom there. Okay, so once you pull the old one out from there, you're just gonna take the new one. Super simple. Line it up down here. Very awkward position, I know. Get it on. So there you go. So now that it's on, go ahead and put your, I guess, 13 millimeter nut back on, battery back in, and then you can install the distribution box. So boom, brand new terminal, brand new distribution box, got the negative terminal back on, all the cables hooked up. So we're chilling. We can take this, throw it away. Oh, I was like, where's the old cable? Okay, so this one you can go ahead and throw away. And yeah, we'll be all good. So you can see here too, ECS Tuning, great company, not sponsored. You can get it for $109. And on top of that, FCP Euro, great site. Many BMW parts, great site. Just fill out your year, make, model. You can scroll down all kinds of things that you want. And so yes, we're gonna be doing many giveaways, so like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.